Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today we are doing an actual quick weave on our head, and I'm using hair from Beauty Forever. I have 3 bundles of their Brazilian body wave. This is the hair right out of the packaging. I did already before this go ahead and wash and dye my hair jet black because my hair is dark, so of course we want it to blend. I am doing a flip over quick weave, so I'm just sectioning off the amount of hair that I want left out. And I'm leaving out, honestly, a little more than I normally would because the hair is straight, so it's going to be super easy for me to blend my hair with. Well, the hair is not straight, it's body wave, but y'all know what I'm talking about. So, also, since I'm not a braider, I am just going to section off my hair and do 2 braids.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
And then I'm just going in with my wig cap. Y'all, this is a quick weave. We want it to be quick, so not only can I not braid that well, but I want this process to be quick. So I am going in with my stocking caps. This is my first time using these HD stocking caps. Mine is brown. I thought I picked up black, but that's neither here nor there. Just so I can see where my hair is parted at. So I just went in with a little hairspray. I dried that, and then I'm going to go in with some glue protectant, just so that not any glue will get on my natural hair. And when I take this off, I want to be able to just rinse it with water and it slide right off. So we're just going in with our protectant mode, and we're going to dry that also till it's dry. Now for our first bundle, I am just going to measure, cut, glue, and that's all. We're going to speed through this process because I'm just laying the tracks side by side the whole way, actually.
My newest look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me.
So this is 2 bundles right here. I'm just showing you guys how nice and full it is. I'm about to start with the 3rd bundle, and I probably won't even use all of that, but I just want to show you guys how it's looking.
My opus front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, just some me time.
Okay, so this is our last weft, and as you can see, I'm still going side to side. I left a good amount of leave out, so I'm not worried about not being able to cover the weft. So I'm just going through with my blow dryer just to make sure we're all nice and dry. And the last step is to cut the excess cap off. I'm going to pin my hair up and cut the rest of the cap. This is probably the most tedious part because I don't want to cut any of my hair, and my hair is just out. It's just loose.
But a beast like Odell. My killers don't tell. Shut down my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract.
Okay, so we're all done with that. This is what the blend is looking like. As you can see, really good. My hair is dark, the bundles are dark, we're just blending, we're just having a good time. So the last thing I have to do is go in and actually curl the hair. Okay, hey guys, so I'm finishing my hair at a new location. So this is what it looks like, just blended. It looks really, really good. It looks really natural. I started my hair like really late, but I think I left out too much for my flip over, but I just wanted to be sure that if I wanted to put like in like a half up, half down look, or my headband on, that there wasn't like no lump or bump. So that was my whole main reason for doing that. But I'm actually just going to go ahead and curl it. I'm going to go in with my curling iron.
In the meantime, get some me time. You doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only roll like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, I'm just not doing what I want. Need some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime, I'm just not doing what I want. Need some me time. You doing what you want. Maybe I don't love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Alright, you guys know I have to do a little edge work, so I'm just going in with a little hairspray after I curl my edges and laying them down.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In a frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the car. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, you got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.
Okay, so this is the finished look. The curls look amazing. I'll be sure to list all of Beauty Forever's hair info in the description box, as well as a direct link to the hair that I'm wearing. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I can't help it. I